12th standard children, chemistry conversions. Some important chemistry conversions. First part I am going to give. For example, many conversions I am going to pose it, whether it is possible or not. Please see. SCHO. This is formaldehyde. IUPAC name methanol. Formaldehyde to ethanol. CH3CH2OH. Ethanol. One conversion. Please note it, afterwards I will repeat. One. Second, formaldehyde to 1 propanol. CH3CH2OH. 1 propanol. Third, formaldehyde to 1 butanol and so on. CH2CH2OH. Formaldehyde to ethanol. Formaldehyde is nothing but what? Methanol. So formaldehyde to 1 propanol, formaldehyde to 1 butanol, and formaldehyde to 1 pentanol, formaldehyde to 1 hexanol, and so on. Like this you can develop your conversions. 1, 2, 3 only I am going to give. Okay. Then fourth one, formaldehyde to ethyl chloride, formaldehyde to ethyl bromide, formaldehyde to ethyl iodide, formaldehyde to CH3CH2, ethyl nitrate, nitroethane, formaldehyde to ethylamine, and so on. So like this also the conversion can be developed. One more thing, methyl alcohol or is methyl chloride to ethanol. It's different. Methyl bromide to ethanol. I am going to repeat it, please note it. 11. So methyl iodide to ethanol. After ethanol also you will get many things. This one. So 11 conversions. The 12 is methyl chloride, methyl bromide, methyl iodide to what? Ethanol. So 11 conversions you can develop. We will see afterwards. After doing some other conversions, I will develop it. First, methanol, HCHO, R. If you write bond structures, HC, double bond OH. See, this is bonding structure of methyl. H single bond H, C single bond H, double bond O. Because oxygen valency 2, therefore double bond you are writing SCH. The condensed form is SCH. Methanol or formaldehyde, trivial name. This react with methyl magnesium bromide. Methyl magnesium bromide. Magnesium is having 2 valency. With the 2 valencies, it is holding Ca3 as well as Br. Here one bond, here one bond. Short Ca3MgBr. Like this we can also write. So Ca3MgBr. Methyl magnesium bromide, generally it forms Grignard reagent. Grignard. Grignard. Grignard reagent. Methyl magnesium bromide, ethyl magnesium bromide, propyl magnesium iodide, propyl magnesium iodide, butyl magnesium bromide. That means any alkyl group. Generally we can say R. R means alkyl group. Methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl, all will be coming under R, alkyl group. Magnesium common. Then BrCli, halide group. So BrCli, whatever you want, we can say X, ClBrI. So alkyl magnesium halide is called a Grignard reagent. By using Grignard reagent only, I am going to give many conversions. So formaldehyde react with methyl magnesium bromide, one reagent, one Grignard reagent to form one complicated compound HCH. In continuation, H single bond C single bond H as it is. I have not changed it. Here single bond O. What about one more bond? Just to put here. What is the difference between this one and that one? Only the bond is stretched down. So the carbon part CH3, actually CH3 MgBr will be divided into CH3 minus MgBr plus. MgBr plus will go to O negative. The CH3 minus will go to C. Let it do. But CH3 part, carbon part will go to carbon. Like this, if you remember, it will be easy for you. CH3 part will be attached with the carbon. Therefore, CH3 I am attaching. Because of two bond, one bond I have stretched it down. So with that single bond, I am putting CH3 group. What about MgBr part? MgBr part, single bond MgBr actually. Single bond MgBr. MgBr is attached to O. CH3 group is attached to C. That means two part. Just divide it. Just to put either CH3 either MgBr. So OMgBr. If it is CH3 MgCl, OMgCl. If it is I group, CH3 MgI means OMgI. Like this only it will come. So here this is one intermediate compound. It is unstable. After hydrolysis, that means acid with water, H2O. H2O can be written as HOH, oblique H plus. In the presence of little acid, water will react and break this compound into two. That means between O and MgBr, O and MgCl, O and MgI, here only the breakage will take place. So here H, put H here, OH here. So it will be entire compound will be splitting into two parts. H single bond C H, either what C3 C, no change, everything I put. Then single bond O, whatever H just add it OH. It will be splitting into two parts, two compounds. The remaining things MgBr, one more bond OH group. Magnesium is having two valency, I told you already. With two valencies, it is holding Br as well as OH. So two compound you will get, one alcohol you are getting, that is primary alcohol, CH3R. CH3 I am writing, single bond, this bond. Then what C, the two H atoms are condensed, HH, one bond, two bond are condensed, that means CH2. Here two bond are inside, then single bond OH, ethanol. That means 1 degree alcohol you are getting. 1 degree alcohol means primary alcohol. So formaldehyde reacts with methyl magnesium bromide to form one primary alcohol, methanol. Not only one ethanol is not only primary alcohol. One propanol, one butanol, one pentanol, all are primary alcohol. Same type of alcohol you will get from the first line. For example, formaldehyde 2. One propanol we want, formaldehyde is the same line. One more thing, the same line we can make it condense. We can make it condense. For simplification, HCHO, okay, arrow mark, C3MgR, put the first step, CH3 MgBr, the second stage, second step, you will get hydrolysis, HOH oblique H plus. We can make it short in conversion. HCHO, this means elaboration don't want, HCHO, CH3MgBr, okay, CH3MgBr every time. Then one intermediate step is there, intermediate step no need to write. The second step H2O oblique H plus, just to put it. What is the final product? This much. These are elaboration we don't want. We can put CH3, CH2OH, ethanol. They are going to give 1 mark or 1 mark mostly for conversion. ACHO, this is enough. First step CH3MgBr, second step HOH oblique H plus hydrolysis. You will get ethanol, primary alcohol treating. So this pattern you should by heart it. Then convert formaldehyde to 1 propanol CH3 CH2 CH2OH. Here what is the difference between 1 propanol and ethanol? 1 CH2 only, 1 CH2 extra. Okay. So by using some trick, instead of CH3MgBr, if you use CH3CH2MgBr, what is the name of the compound? Methyl magnesium bromide it was. Now it is ethyl magnesium bromide. This is also ignited reagent. 1 CH2 extra we want because 1, 2, 3 carbon alcohol. Here 2 carbon alcohol only in the format it is written. Now we want 3 carbon alcohol. Therefore, if you put 1 CH2 group extra, that means ethyl magnesium bromide if you use it, you will get 1 more CH2 here. What is the name of the compound? 1 propanol. You can easily get 1 more alcohol conversion. So one more thing, formaldehyde to 1 butanol we want. Formaldehyde to 1 butanol, 1 more CH2 extra. Here also you can put 1 more CH2 twice. That means if you write alphabetically CH3, CH2 MgBr, 1 propyl or N-propyl magnesium bromide. This is also Rignett reagent. At that time you will get not 1 propanol, now what? 1 butanol. If you write alphabetically CH3, CH2OH, 1 butanol you will get. This is also 1 degree alcohol. In this method you will get any 1 degree alcohol you will get. Ethanol, 1 propanol, 1 butanol, 1 pentanol, 1 hexanol, there is no limit. Everything you can write. By using this small trick, you will get any alcohol, primary alcohol you will get. Okay, next. Suppose if we want to write elaborately, suppose the format is CHO, first is up to CH3MgBr. Why CH3MgBr? Why not CH3MgI? Why not CH3MgCl? Anything you can put, no problem. CH3MgX also you can put. Second step, hydrolysis, HOH oblique H plus. What will be the format? The format is telling ethanol, CH3CH2OH. 1 degree alcohol is ready. This only we are keeping in our mind. Now we want ethyl chloride, ethyl bromide. Like this you can develop ethyl iodide, CH3CH2I. So alkyl chloride, for alkyl chloride we can use this one. Formaldehyde to ethanol is set in our brain. Now formaldehyde to ethyl chloride, no problem. Ethanol, after reacting with PCl3, phosphorus trichloride, you will get ethyl chloride. Cl will come instead of OH group. Instead of OH group to Br, if you want PBr3. Uniformly you can use this. Instead of BCl3, you can use BCl5, SOCl2, like this. Any chlorine agent you can use it. But here, so for getting uniformity, I am giving PCl3, PBr3, PI3. What you will get? Either Br group instead of OH group you will get. Instead of OH group you can put I group. Like this, ethanol, formaldehyde to ethyl chloride, no problem. Formaldehyde ethanol, format is in our brain. So immediately, if you put extra PCl3, you will get ethyl chloride. If you put PBr3, you can get Br group. Other things, H3PO3, side product, no need to write in conversions. Ethanol, arrow mark, above the arrow mark PCl3, if you write, you will get what? Ethyl chloride, that's all. Plus H3PO3 balance, no need. Like this, ethyl bromide, ethyl iodide, everything you will get in these conversions. So, next, formaldehyde to ethyl nitrite, that means nitroethane. For this, what to do? So, nitro group if you want to introduce, you will get, you have to get Cl group. The format is telling ethanol only. From ethanol you should develop formaldehyde to ethanol. It is set in the brain. So immediately you will get PCl3 or PBr3 or PA3. It can be converted into what? Ethyl chloride. If it is PBr3, ethyl bromide. That's all. Then one more step, AgNO2. Everything you must have studied in the first chapter in organic chemistry. So ethyl chloride. So AgNO2 if you use it instead of Cl group, what group will be replaced? NO2 group. Ca3CH2NO2. That's all. So formaldehyde to nitroethane, this conversion only. Formaldehyde to aminoethane, the same method you will get. For example, ethylamine. You can get formaldehyde to ethanol. The format is set in mind. So if you add PCl3, here what? Ca3CH2Cl. Then add AgNO2. So no need to add the Ca3CH2Cl plus AgNO2. Ca3CH2NO2 plus Ag. No need to write. Ethyl chloride. Therefore, I am advising you, above the arrow mark, just to put the AgNO2. You will get Ca3CH2NO2. If you put NH3 aqueous NH3 ammonia solution, you will get NO2 will be converted into what? NH2, CH3, CH2, what? NH2. Otherwise, I'm sorry, another method. Ca3, CH2NO2, H2 in the presence of PT, platinum, reduction, or LaAlH4, lithium aluminum hydride. Any reducing agent, if you use it, you will get Ca3, CH2, what? NH2. Like this, you can use it. NH2 can be easily converted into Ca3, CH2, NH2. Instead of this second two-step, Ca3CH2Cl, NH3 ACK, easily you can write NH3 ACK. You will get CH3, CH2, what? NH2. Easily, within one step you can get this one. With the two step only, you get ethylamine. Okay. Sometimes they will be asking formaldehyde to ethanol in two step or three step like this. If they restrict, then we will be caught up. Therefore, you should use the shortcut method also, the lengthy method also. Sometimes convert methanol to ethanol by using Grignard reagent. So we will be caught up. In our format, SCHO, Ca3MgBr, this only it is set up, no, Ca3MgBr, HOH oblique H plus. You will get ethanol. So there is no condition. Methanol to ethanol. So formaldehyde H2 oblique PT. When I say so, you will be converted into methanol. Otherwise, one more method. Methanol to ethanol conversion में formaldehyde don't disturb it. Ca3MgBr. We can convert it. How to write this methanol to ethanol? No, here you just think methanol. Okay, methanol should be converted into methyl magnesium bromide. Then you can add it. SCH is waiting for conversion. Then methanol only is given to you. So how to add methanol? Please think. Cl3 is OH, PCl3. What will you get? Ca3Cl. Then magnesium in ether solvent, magnesium powder in ethereal solvent will be converted into CH3MgCl. Grignard reagent is ready. That means for methanol, although methanol is given, immediately is converted into what? Grignard reagent, Ca3MgCl. So ready, that means methanol is converted into what? Ca3MgCl. Converted. Then you put Ca3MgCl, SCHO as usual. Therefore, Ca3 MgCl, that is converter 1. Methanol is converted into methyl magnesium chloride. Then HO plus, you will get what? Ethanol. Like this, they will make confusion.